So today should be a nice restful day. I thought I'd show you how to make a really easy red bean paste recipe. I use it in a lot of my desserts as fillings. They can be used in like pancakes like the dorayaki, the taiyaki, and of course to fill the mochis that you guys all love as well. So I hope you all enjoy. So I'm going to start off by soaking half a cup of red Adzuki beans in water overnight. And the softer that you can naturally get these beans, the better and more smooth they will break down as they cook. So that's why we like to soak them overnight first. And then just get rid of all of that water. We're gonna add in 2.5 cups of water to our Adzuki beans. And then I'm going to bring it to a boil and then lower it to medium and cook it for about an hour. So if you've ever seen how the Japanese make this, it could be like a multi-day process. They take this very seriously. So this is more of a sped up version, sped up, but still good. So this is right around 45 to 50 minutes in, and what I'm gonna do is to just squish the beans in between my fingers and see if they smash up nicely and smoothly. And if they do, I'm gonna add in my sugar, 1/3 cup, and then finish cooking for the rest of the 15 minutes. And you'll see really how these beans start to transform. So at this point, your beans should mash up super easily. And I still have the heat on low because it really depends on whether you want your filling to be thicker and drier or a little bit looser, wetter, but smoother. And I kind of like it a little bit on the wetter side, but it really depends on the type of pastry that you're making. Some of it requires it to be super dry and then some not so much. And this is also the point where you can adjust for flavor. I usually like to just add a little bit of salt at the end because I think it brings out all of the natural flavors of the beans, but it also makes the sugar taste more sweet. Now, some of you might ask whether we should filter out the outside skins of the beans, and there is that version as well, but I find it's overly smooth. It's not a good filling that way. You want some texture to this, and it is very, very smooth already. So I think you guys will approve of my decision for this one. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this red bean paste recipe. This is one where I can just eat it right out of the jar. And if you guys want, you can make it ahead of time, freeze it, because that's what I do all the time. And I can't wait to show you some of the dessert recipes that we can be putting this in. So stay tuned for that. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!